We already saw that quote come in from Nitin Kamath. He put out a tweet, and I just want to pull that up so that our viewers are aware of it as well. And he doesn't mince words, and he was very direct, reacted immediately once these regulations changed. Let's pull out Nitin's quote if we can, where he's saying, we've got it on the screen right now, and he's saying that we were one of the last remaining brokers that offered free equity delivery trades. We could do this because F&O trading revenues were subsidizing equity delivery investors. But with the new circular, we will in all likelihood have to let go of zero brokerage structures and or increase the brokerage for F&O trades. Brokers across the industry will also have to tweak their pricing. We'll pull up the second quote as well, where he's talking about how the global practice has been this slab-wise structure. But the short point is, Nitin Kamath is saying that zero brokerage could perhaps be a thing of the past. Jimeet, how do you view this whole situation?
So I agree with Nitin in the sense that the difference in this transaction charges, even on delivery trades, even when delivery trades were free, the difference in the transaction charges was actually subsidizing the brokerage rate. Now, since that differential has gone, at an industry-wide level, we estimate that this pool of revenue, which straight goes into the PBT, is about 2,500 odd crores. So the industry is going to find a way to recover this because the cost structures of the pool are not of the industry are not changing. So our estimate is that, as Nitin said, brokerages will go up, and at the end of the day, nobody wants the end cost to the customer to go up. But I think everybody's going to find a blended optimal rate where the decline in the transaction charge will get offset by the increase in the brokerage rate, and net cost will remain the same, but there will be a reclassification of the charges that a customer pays.
So you're saying, okay, so we've got 3 broker representatives on the panel, so I couldn't be happier. So let's say at Samco, and I know that you'll wait for the exchanges to declare their new rate, but you're saying that there could be an increase in brokerage, but a reduction in the transaction charge. So net, I don't get impacted. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, we'll try to keep it that way.
Okay.
So that, at the end of the day, there is no
hit
to the customer. And if at all, I think there will be a marginal decline in the overall cost. It's not that the customer is going to end up paying the same or more. But yes, there is going to be an increase in the brokerage because this pool will have to somehow get this gap of 2,000 odd crores at an industry-wide level, somehow will have to get filled.
Okay, fair enough. And those are Samco's calculations that the revenue implication for the entire broking industry could be 2,000 crores because of this change. Ashish, your thoughts? Will brokerage go up? Will overall costs go up? Everything put together.
So it depends on the value of the trade of the customer also. So if he is trading less, then the cost could go, and the number of orders, because now the brokerage charges per order basis. So if that goes up, it depends on the value of the order also. But definitely, depending on what the exchanges come up with the pricing, then the first move which the brokerages make, that will decide actually. So the order value, as well as depending on the final rate which the exchanges come up with, these two will have an impact. And depending, that will obviously make a decision point for the brokerages also.
Sure.
How much to increase, whether to increase, not to increase. That could also be a situation wherein brokers say, okay, we will not increase the prices. That
because
is also
of
possible.
Competition.
Because of competition. Market forces, they are making enough money in F&O to offset these. That is also quite possible. But this is how things stand today.
Mr. Shah, what's the view at Kotak Securities? Are broking costs going to go up? Overall, I'm talking about total cost for the client.
No, I don't expect total cost going up for a client. Overall, as we understand, this income which was being made by the brokers by way of turnover rebate was around 10 to 20% of the total income of a broker. So there would be few brokers who would be increasing their prices to offset this loss of income. There will be some brokers who might not pass on this by way of raising the brokerage. So clients will have a choices to go to and maybe find a broker where the transaction cost has gone down, but brokerages have not increased.
informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18. Now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.